Prabhas sir and Shraddha, welcome to AVS and thank you so much for joining us today. How are you guys feeling? Excited, nervous?
Yeah, we are nervous, but Shraddha is a very strong girl. I think nothing happens to her. She's very chilled out, I think. What do you think?
She's completely unfazed.
Yeah,
I'm totally chilled. I just want to lock myself in my room and not come out. That's it.
Now the trailers and promos are basically breaking the internet. Did you expect it to get the kind of appreciation it's gotten?
It feels amazing to get that kind of appreciation, and I mean, there is a lot of work that's gone into the film, you know.
2 years
you can
long
see.
of work.
Yeah. And that's just like shooting. I think before that also there was so much work that's gone into it, you know. 2.5, 3 years.
Yeah, 1.5 years before they were planning a lot.
Yeah. So there's a lot that's gone into this film.
Now what about this film stood out to you?
So I thought for another 4 years I don't want to do big films. Just want to finish as fast as I can. But I couldn't get a script. I thought I'll do a love story, but so Sujit told me a screenplay film. So then we liked it. Then we started working. Then Bahubali 1 released. So it's good. They made it bigger, and we made it bigger scale, and we got Shraddha on board, and so it just got bigger and bigger.
And for you, Shraddha, what was your initial reaction to the story, working with him and your character?
When I heard the story, I was actually wanting to jump in the sofa, but I was trying to be well behaved. So I was like, just calm down. Yeah, exactly. Like, you know, just keep your excitement within yourself. I loved what I heard, and it was a film that something like this was never offered to me. And I felt something like this has never been done in India to begin with, you know. So to be a part of that, to have been offered that, and it's a multilingual, you know. So literally after Bahubali, which was the first film to really go pan-India in such a large way, to be offered a film which is also going pan-India in this way, there were so many reasons for me to be excited about it. And to work with him, you know, to be paired with him, to my first time to my Telugu debut. So many reasons to be excited about the film.
I want to know your experience speaking Telugu and your experience speaking Hindi. Did you guys know the languages before? How did you guys become comfortable with it?
Yeah, I know Hindi. I don't speak at home, but in Hyderabad we speak Hindi, and we watch a lot of Hindi films, and I can read and write Hindi. So for her, I think it's very new, like speaking in Telugu, because maybe she heard very little, and it's more hard for her.
Were there any specific Hindi words or dialogues that you just consistently were messing up on?
Yeah, because there's one dialogue in the film, there's a very long shot, very fast I spoke. I thought I can make it, but it was very hard for me.
And your experience speaking Telugu, did he give you any support or input?
He has supported me through the whole film, and to learn the Telugu dialogues, it started off with learning with a tutor that came home for a couple of days. Then on set, my director, my AD team, he helped a lot, and I really tried my best that, you know, they shouldn't feel like, okay, it's taking too much extra time, that she doesn't know her lines, and you know, in Hindi she remembers her lines, but in Telugu it's taking a little longer. So I tried my best to, you know, try to approach it like I would be an actor from there, you know, as much as possible.
I want to know about your dynamic. Did you guys have any preconceived notions about each other, first impressions?
I mean, of course, after Bahubali, the kind of love that he has received, he is this pan-India superstar, you know, the first of that kind. So naturally I was very curious. I was like, okay, how would he be as a person? And I was amazed at how amazingly chilled out and how normal and approachable and easy to get along he was. And I think that's why also I'm glad that we got along really well, and he was so chilled on the sets and very passionate also about what he does.
And for you, about Shraddha?
Yeah, I thought she was more, she might be more reserved. According to maybe Ashki 2, I think that thing is in my mind. So when we met, she had a second, and she also is not she doesn't start talking immediately when they meet, I think. So, but I think in another 2 hours we started talking so much. Yeah, we became very comfortable in 2 hours.
I want to talk about the music. Every single song is topping the charts, especially Annie Soni. It looks like you guys had a blast, but you guys were shooting in the cold. What was that full experience like for both of you?
Yeah, it's always hard for the women because we have something on. So, yeah.
It was beautiful. We shot in such beautiful locations. Vaibhavi ma'am choreographed it so beautifully, and she looked at every little detailing of the song, you know. And yeah, it was a little tough on in certain locations because it was very cold, and my outfits were not very winter savvy or snow savvy. So, but it was awesome. We got to go to such beautiful locations. It was beautiful.
In Austria and all, the locations were closed. You need to go to the top, the location, the opening of the song. I think the producer spoke, the Vibe liked the location. They searched a lot, they found it, and they spoke. And you know, for us especially, they started the ropeway, and they need to clean a lot of snow with trucks, and we need to shoot there.
So I want to talk about the action. I feel like you guys are taking the genre to a whole new level. Tell me about performing the stunts and what was the most challenging scene to shoot?
Yeah, well, like the bike scenes or some rope jumps I have, it was fine, but it's not tougher for me. Like it's not more hard. Bahubali was more harder, much more harder. But yeah, the planning and it's more safe. And yeah, Shraddha should say what she thinks.
As he said, the planning was very safe, and you know, it wasn't like, for me, it wasn't like, oh my god, like too much action or too much something that's, you know, very, very challenging or very dangerous to do, because it was planned really safely. So without saying that, you know, how much or what was very difficult, but it was, just to briefly say that, you know, to play a crime branch officer, to be able to use a gun and fire a gun for the first time, that was the first time for me. So it was very a new experience, and to be very comfortable with it, you know, it takes a little bit of time to make it like an extension of your own hand. So all of that was very interesting.